Hi, I'm Stevie Lou and I'm here at the Express headquarters in Castle Donington, Derby. Today my colleagues and I are going to show you around our impressive state-of-the-art showroom, also known as the Inspiration Suite. One of the largest showrooms in the UK, showcasing an array of machines and consumables from leading industry brands. Let's go take a look inside. Whether you're a new or existing Express customer, give us a call to arrange your visit. Our friendly, knowledgeable team will be happy to help you diversify and strengthen your business today.